Okay, I'm not sure what's going on with this. I've plugged it in. I didn't even turn it on. It's already got a green light here. If I hit it again, turns it off. But there's no sound, no sucking coming out of the pipe up the top. As you can hear, there's absolutely nothing. Press it again to turn it on. Nothing. Nothing. If I turn the knob, I get an error. I've got no idea what that's all about. And then I can't do anything after that. If I hold down the button, I go into different function modes. And as you can see, this whole thing wobbles. And as I move it around, look at that. It just skips all over the place. It's not accurate at all. Press it again, go into H. Same thing. Well, I moved it just slightly and it's gone from 80 to 68. It's just not working properly at all. This thing just keeps spinning around. There's 0. Take it all the way back up. It's not accurate at all. That's 100. In F mode, same sort of thing. Goes up to 99. That's it. Going down. I don't know why now all of a sudden I've got a green light coming on. There was no instructions provided, so I've got no idea what this all means. But let's just try. Oh, look at that. It just went straight to 1, whatever that means. Let's take this back up. Let's try. I can't even get it to 80. Look, 86, 99. That's ridiculous. Oh, now you can probably hear it starting to work. I have no idea what all this means. It is sucking, I can feel it. If I turn it off, let's see if it turns off. It just goes to those next function modes. Oh, and I'm back to error, but it's still working. Figure that out. I've got no idea what's going on here. Can't turn it off. I hold it down. I go back to the error mode, and then I can't. There we go. I can turn it off now. Figure that out. I have no idea what the hell's going on. That's in error mode again. Still, I can't do anything about that. Is it going to start? It's winding. I guess it's working, but I don't know what the error means. Let's see if it starts back up again. Yep. I really don't know what that error means. We'll just leave it at that. Obviously there's something wrong. I don't know what it is.